In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel AI Phone Caller. We're going to walk through the setup process from inside your GoHighLevel sub account, and by the end, you'll know where to find the feature, how to create your agent, and how to get it ready for a phone call test. This is a straightforward process, but it helps to follow it in order so nothing gets missed. First, log into GoHighLevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub account. That part is important because AI tools and settings are managed at the sub account level. If you're in the wrong account, you may not see the same options, or you could end up creating the agent in the wrong workspace. Once you're inside the right sub account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main navigation menu, find AI agents and click on it. This section is where GoHighLevel keeps its AI-powered agent tools. So if you plan to work with automated conversations, this is the area you'll come back to often. After that, click on Voice AI. This opens the voice agent area, where you can create and manage AI callers. From here, click Create Agent to begin building a new one. When the creation options appear, choose Create Custom Agent. This gives you more control over how the agent behaves and what information it uses. After selecting that option, click Continue to move into the builder. Now you'll set up the knowledge base. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it gives your AI caller the information it needs to respond clearly and accurately. Think of the knowledge base as the reference material your agent will rely on during conversations. The better organized and more relevant this information is, the better your phone caller will perform. Once the knowledge base is set up, select phone call as the communication type. This tells the system that your agent will be used for voice-based interactions rather than another format. Choosing the correct channel here helps ensure the experience is designed for live calling behavior. Finally, test your agent. This is the step where you confirm that everything is working the way you expect. Listen carefully to how the agent responds, how natural the voice sounds, and whether it uses the knowledge base correctly. If anything feels unclear or off, this is the perfect moment to go back and refine it before using it in a real scenario. And that's how to use the GoHighLevel AI Phone Caller. Once you've gone through it once, the process becomes much faster, and testing will help you improve the agent over time.